Shuttle 110 Alpha Heavy, Atlanta Tower, wind 1106, runway 90 right, clear to land.
9 right, clear to land, Delta 110 Alpha.
Skywest 3700, RNAV Lightest, 9 left, Mike 2, clear takeoff.
RNAV Lightest, 9 left, Mike 2, clear takeoff, South 3700.
Southwest 864, Atlanta Tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
Line of wait, 9 left, Mike 2, Southwest 864.
Southwest 3172, contact departure, good night.
Switching up, good night, Southwest 3172.
All aircraft departing runway 9 left, departure frequency is 3347. Make sure you have 3347 plugged in for departure, please. Southwest 864, RNAV Brits, 9 left, Mike 2, clear takeoff.
Left to Mike 2, Southwest 864.
Southwest 2111, line of tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 9 left, Mike 2, Southwest 2111, roger.
Southwest 2470, contact departure.
Departure, Southwest 2472. 1747. That sounds better. I think I said the wrong one. 1747, thanks. Just making sure, thanks. Yep, Southwest 528, as able. 8 right, line please. Alright, line up and wait. 8 right, Southwest 528.
Clear takeoff.
2 Southwest 2111, roger.
Southwest 2415, line of tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
9 left, Mike 2, line up wait, Southwest 2415.
Skywest 3700, contact departure.
Good departure, Skywest 3700, good day.
Good night.
Atlanta Tower, Fire Chief.
Fire Chief, Atlanta Tower, emergency aircraft is Southwest 3163, number 2 engine out, landing runway 9 left. 9,600 pounds of fuel on board, 128 souls on board, 0 infants, 0 hazmat.
Souls on board. It's going to be a Boeing 737, advisable next to land, Fire Chief.
Southwest 2415, RNAV Brits, 9 left, Mike 2, clear takeoff.
Southwest 2415.
Started 2642, line of tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
9 left, Mike 2, line up, wait, Delta 2642.
Southwest 864, contact departure.
Switch at Southwest 864.
Started 110 heavy, hold short, 9 left, November 13.
Hold short, 9 left, November 13, Delta 110 Alpha.
Runway 8 right. Go takeoff.
Arden Virtual, 8 right, clear, go northwest,
Southwest 2111, contact departure. Good night. Started 2642, RNAV Lightest, 9 left, Mike 2, clear takeoff. Started 1428, line of tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait. Again, all aircraft departing runway 9 left, be ready to go. I have an emergency inbound landing runway 9 left. Your departure frequency will be 3347. Be ready to go. Got to get you guys out of here. I believe the runway is going to be shutting down once he lands.
Charlie, cross 8 right, hold short of runway 8 left.
Cross 8 right, hold short 8 left. Tower Center is 493.
Clear takeoff.
8, clear takeoff 9 left, Mike 2, RNAV to grid.
Got 1463, line of tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait, Delta 1463.
Southwest 2415, contact departure. Good night.
Good night, 2415.
Tower 226, tower left, 9 right.
Start 226, line of tower, 110 at 5, 9 right, clear to land.
Alright, good night, thanks, 226.
Kilo 3 heavy, cross 8 left, hold to the bait right.
Cross 8 left, hold short 8 right. UPS 3006 heavy.
Southwest 528, contact departure.
Southwest 522.
line up and wait.
Wait, 9 left on Mike 2.
That is 2642, contact departure. Good night.
Departure, good night, mail, Delta 2642.
UPS 1303 Heavy, RNAV Ronnie, runway 8 right, go take off.
RNAV to Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, 1303.
2234 nav, grid 9 left, Mike 2, take off.
2233.
Thank you, sir. 2539, land and turn, 9 left, Mike 2, line and wait.
Mike 2, line up wait, 5 work.
That 1428, contact departure.
1428, good night.
Good night. That is 2549, RNAV Lightus, 9 left, Mike 2, cliff takeoff.
2 clear for takeoff, Delta 2549.
That is 1591, land and turn, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
9 left Mike 2, line up wait, Delta 1591.
That is 1463, contact departure. Good night.
Departure Delta 1463, good night, nice work, 9.
Thank you. RNAV Grits 9 left, Mike 2, cliff takeoff. Got it 2133, line of turn 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
9 left, Mike 2, line up wait, Delta 2133.
Southwest 2232, contact departure. Good night.
Southwest 2232, going to departure.
Good night, 5, Atlanta Tower, rolling on direct little land, wind 1104.
West. Departure.
1303 departure, so long, happy holidays.
You too, my man, how's it going?
Alright, doing Delta 1549, visual 8 left.
Go to 1549, wind is 110 at 4, 8 left below.
Clear land 8 left, Delta 1549.
9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait. There at 226, hold short 9 left, November 13.
Hold short 9 left, November 13, Spirit 2226.
That is 2549, contact departure.
Departure Delta 2549.
That is 395, line of tower, wind 1104, 9 right, clear to land.
3163, visual 9 left.
Southwest 3163, line of tower, wind 1104, runway 9 or left, clear to land. Traffic will depart prior to your arrival.
5 left, clear to land, Southwest 3163.
Southwest 1525, RNAV Grits 9 left, Mike 2, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Grits, clear for takeoff, 9 left.
Clear for takeoff, 9 or left, Southwest 1525.
That is 2629, line of tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
9 left, Mike 2, line wait, Delta 2629.
That is 1591, contact departure. Good night.
Good night, Delta 1591. Frontier 4559, runway 8 right, line wait.
9 left, parking.
9 miles out.
9 miles out.
That is 2629, RNAV Lightus 9 left, and Mike 2, cliff takeoff.
629.
That is 2860, line of tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
Mike 2, line up and wait till 2860.
That is 2133, contact departure.
Start departure, Delta 2133.
2860, RNAV Grits 9 left, Mike 2, cliff takeoff.
2860.
That is 2239, line of tower, 9 left, Mike 2, line up and wait.
Sierra.
Left November, he'll show up down our left at Sierra Delta 395.
Something that 5 is going to be just a short delay there. They got emergency landing the inboard monitor tower on 119.3.
No worries, 19-3 Delta 395, thank you.
Left 5 miles out.
We'll be ready, 2239, we're ready.
Frontier 4559 on Herschel. Runway 8 right, clear takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 8 right, RNAV Herschel, Frontier 4559.
239 RNAV Grits, runway 9 left and Mike 2, clear takeoff.
RNAV Grits, 9 left, Mike 2, clear for takeoff, 2239.
Sector loop, turn up on Delta 1549, good night.
F 40 RNAV Ronnie. Runway 8 right, clear takeoff. 1324 Atlanta Tower, 8 right, line plate.
8 right, land by Delta 1354.